morning, guys. It's been a while since I did a video. Today I'm gonna open up a package I got from the post office, and then I'm gonna show you something I bought the other day and why I bought that. So now we are going to change out the oil separator for the X5, which is this one, and all the hoses and stuff that comes with it. We're gonna remove this section here. We already took this away. Now we're gonna loosen this and this nut right there, and then pull this out. Now that that's done, we're gonna loosen this, take this off, and then work our way under the intake manifold, because that's where it is. I'm here with my brother. He is learning to work on a car. So now we have removed the airbox and the MAF sensor here, and this knee here, we're gonna change that out as well because it's ripped and is throwing holes here. Yeah, we're working our way down into there. As you can see, there's plenty of dirt in there. We're changing out all these hoses as well. Now the manifold is out. Here's the guy who's changing along with all this hoses here. So I had to take the dipstick out because this was clogged with some shit, and I need to clean it out, and it comes through the side vents right here, and it took some time with brake cleaner to get it to blow through because it was completely filled up with dirt. Now we're assembling everything again. The cold climate version of the crankcase ventilation thing, and the hoses are all in. And now it's just to assemble everything again in reverse order. E60 545i short shifter. But my car is automatic, you say? Well, here's a car that I bought, and it's manual, and I'm gonna use manual swap for my car, so stay tuned.